So, we missed our flight.
Looking at you, baby, got me weak as hell. I just had to pinch myself, could this be real?
Mina's falling into a depression. She's over here speaking Spanish and getting into screaming arguments with her family. Okay, first of all, we're late because we're running on colored people time. Problem number 2, we had to park our asses all the way down in the furthest lot because we had to park our car in overnight parking. The woman at the counter was a bitch. I think that's about it. That's about it.
Bad day, that's what that is.
It's a bad day so far, y'all.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in it. Yeah, we're just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Young, dumb and broke.
So we are currently in Times Square in New York City, the Times Square, just chilling with my peeps. We have Issel back there and Mena chilling in the back. We're on our way to the megabus to head back to Philadelphia.
Issel, where are we at?
Chinatown.
Chinatown where?
Philly.
Go up, go up, go up.
앉아있어 내 옆엔 구름이 떠있어 산공식 kilometers 반나절 죽어라 앉아있어 몸은 뻐근해 미침 Apple juice watching Sing Street 시간이 너무 완가하고 떠오르는 영감들의 잠 못 일어나
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I check in South City. Yeah, I check in Singapore City. Melbourne City. Yeah, I check in Manila City. Bangkok. Yeah, I check in. Hell yeah, I check in like 영감을 찾아. I wanna go right now. 그게 어디든 간에 I wanna go right now.
You know that I love you so. I love you enough to let you go. I want you to know that it doesn't matter where we take this road, but someone's gotta go, and I want you to know.
Well, that's that.